Welcome back to the WHHI Daily News. Cinda Seamon has joined us once again. She is the Community Risk Reduction and Community Outreach Program Coordinator. So that's a big job, and it's good to have you with us, Cinda. We're going to talk Thanksgiving and the holidays, but your work, you're in the community, you're educating, you're helping reduce risks for our community members, and you work for it's actually part of the town, right?
Right. Hilton Head Fire Rescue is part of the town.
Okay, very good. Okay, you're getting ready for Thanksgiving. Basic prep tips.
Okay. First thing, let's start with a clean kitchen and a clean oven. You know, we know we're going to have people over. We know everybody's going to be cooking. It's going to be sort of a madhouse in the kitchen. Let's start with getting our kitchen organized, clean. That means have a place for paper towels, for pot holders, for towels away from the stove. Let's start with a clean oven as well. That's really important.
Critical.
While people are over and cooking and it's busy in the kitchen, be really cognizant of draping sleeves, necklaces, bracelets that can get caught on pot handles. That does happen, and it's really dangerous. Make sure those pot handles are inward on the stove. So a lot of prep to get things ready to go, keeping it safe, be organized. That will be half the battle.
Okay, now what about our children, or the kids? And because you're busy, and big people in and out, but what do we do with the kids so they're safe?
Right. Well, first of all, in normal circumstances, we have a 3-foot zone around the oven and stove. That's the kid zone that they stay out of. That would be on normal every day. But when it comes to holiday cooking, we don't want the kids anywhere near the kitchen.
Okay.
So we have a couple of options. If it's a nice day out, they can do outdoor games, spend some time in the yard playing, that kind of thing. If it's not, let's set up an area or a room where just the kids will go. They can watch movies. Maybe you have some Christmas books they can read. Maybe pick up some coloring books and crayons for them. How about some ornaments? You know, a lot of these places will have little peel and stick Christmas ornaments they can make. They could make an ornament to take home. You want to have an area just for the kids where they can play, but have activities available for them so they're not just sitting there, what do I do? But what a perfect time to put in a Christmas movie and just let them do some arts and crafts and some games and whatever you might have to put together for them.
I think your overarching message with both of these items is preparation. Be organized, plan, think ahead of time.
That's right, exactly.
About your kitchen
and
the
kids will be excited to go into a room and see it's all things that they'll enjoy doing, and they can spend time with each other playing. They won't even have any interest in going in the kitchen, and maybe have some snacks for them so they don't come into the kitchen, gee, I'm hungry, and you're fishing around trying to find something for them, and you know, have some ready-made snacks for them.
Very good. So Thanksgiving's over, and now we're on to November 30th, which is the Saturday after Thanksgiving, and you have the station lighting.
Right. You know, our fire station that is sort of near Port Royal on 278, well known for the Christmas lights. We're going to do an official tree lighting, you know, or station lighting on November 30th from 5 to 7.
Okay.
Lots of fun activities. We'll have cookies, we'll have hot chocolate, we'll have crafts for the kids. Santa will be there, of course.
Of course.
We're going to have a little station set up where we'll have stationery and they can write their letters to Santa, give them to him right on site, or put them in the Santa mailbox there, and he'll take them up to the North Pole and read them, and he will reply. Okay. Does reply as long as they have a return address. But it's really going to be a fun family affair, and we'll count down till the lights come on at the station, and they'll be able to walk the grounds and see everything. It'll be really fun. We did it last year.
I was wondering if you've done this before.
Second time, and it was a lot of fun.
Okay, very family oriented. Love it. And then Santa and Sirens begins on December 2nd.
Right. And we'll run that over the course of about 2 or 3 weeks, you know, random nights. You can look on our Facebook page or Culture HHI. We'll have the information about Santa's route. But that's where Santa's on the fire truck and goes through the neighborhoods. And that is really fun. It's fun to be part of the team that goes out because we see everybody on the corners and outside. They got little tailgating set up, you know, hot chocolate. They're waiting for Santa. It is so great.
It's a big deal.
It's a big deal. And it's a lot of fun. Again, super family oriented. You can look at the different neighborhoods and maybe even go to another neighborhood other than your own if you want to see them more than once.
Okay, very good. Cinda, you always have good information for us, and happy holidays to you.
Thank you.
Stay safe and healthy, everyone. Thank you, Cinda Seamon, who is with the town of Hilton Head. And we'll be right back with more news.